Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the outlet hose and connector in your washer, unplug the power cord. Now, remove the screws securing the rear panel. Detach the panel. Next, release the retaining clamp securing the drain hose to the connector and pull the hose off. Release the retaining clamp securing the outlet hose to the drain pump and pull off the hose. Next, remove the connector mounting screw, then pull the old connector and outlet hose free. Install the new outlet hose and connector by inserting the hose through the hole in the frame and hooking the connector tab onto the frame. Replace the mounting screw. Attach the outlet hose to the drain pump and secure it with the retaining clamp. Attach the drain hose to the new connector and secure it with the clamp. Reposition the rear panel and replace the screws to secure. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your washer should be ready for use.